Alright guys, so we got our little bike thing that we rented, as you can see. A little bike tour to the place that we're going to, so we don't have to walk so much. Nice and breezy out. Just the rest of the bicycles there.
She's like, oh shit.
Now you guys can see a little bit of Central Park. And at least I don't have to walk. I can sit here and you guys can get a view of it. What a beautiful park. There's our driver in front. Alright guys, stay tuned for part 2 or 3 when I get to the museum. Peace out.